Hello everyone, today we are going to start our 6th chapter, that is the chain of smiles. So this chapter is about passing or spreading the smiles from one person to another person, right, in a form of a chain. So before starting this chapter, before starting the story, I would like to ask you a question. So when you are happy, you smile or you laugh. So do you like being happy or do you like being sad? Share with me few things that make you smile or laugh. Okay, and also share the a facial expression. Also share a picture of your facial expression that you make while you feel happy or excited. Okay, so everyone loves to click pictures, isn't it? In today's world, it is you can say it is a selfie world, right? Everyone is busy clicking pictures. We click pictures when we go outside, when we party, when we roam around, or when we meet our friends, right? In every occasion, and in every festival we click pictures. हमेशा कभी भी कोई occasion होता है, हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं? Photos click करते हैं, right? And in nowadays it is also very easy to click pictures, right? Since it is a camera in our mobile phone, there is a camera in our mobile phone. It is very easy to click pictures and keep it with ourselves. But back then, before 10 years back, it is not that much easy to click pictures and see them as. At that time, there used to be some cameras of different brands, and it has a film in it, and you can click maximum 35 to 40 pictures in it, and then you have to give it to some studio or somewhere to develop those images. So once they got developed, then only you can see those pictures. आपको स्टूडियो पर वो फिल्म अपनी देकर आनी होती थी, जिसमें से फिर फोटोज डेवलप होते थे, फिर वो आप उनको रिसीव करते थे, फिर आप वहां से फोटोज देख सकते थे. But here now it is very easy. You can click pictures, and as soon as you click that picture, you can see the picture, and you can keep it in your mobile phone like forever. Right, so it was a little difficult at that time, keeping pictures and clicking pictures and keeping them with yourselves. Okay, so now let's come to the story. Okay, so this story is about a girl who creates a chain of smiles. So let us read how she creates a chain of smiles. So one day, Miss Alice gave her pupils a new assignment. So there was a teacher named Miss Alice who gave her students, pupil means a student. So she gave her students a new assignment. And what was that assignment? It was on happiness. Okay, so what students need to do? They have to spread happiness. They have to be happiness collectors, and they have to observe while spreading happiness what would happen to the people around them. So as a part of their assignment, all the students did wonderful things. They made a really wonderful projects. So they made wonderful projects, but there was a girl in that class named Carla Chalmers. सब बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे projects बनाए, but एक लड़की थी उनके क्लास में whose name was Carla Chalmers. And what she did? She did something that made everyone astonished, everyone surprised. कुछ दिन बाद she turned up carrying a big sack. What is a sack? A jute bag, a kind of a jute bag. So कुछ दिन बाद वो एक बैग के साथ आई, and that was full of something. So, and nobody knows what is inside that bag. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said, smiling. And she pointing out at our bag, she said that here is the happiness that I have collected up till now. इसमें सारी खुशियाँ हैं जो मैंने अभी तक collect की हैं. On seeing this, everyone was filled with expectation. जैसे ही लोगों ने देखा, they all get excited कि क्या हो सकता है इस बैग के अंदर, किस तरह की खुशियाँ हो सकती हैं. But Carla did not want to show anyone what was in the sack. But Carla किसी को नहीं दिखाना चाहती थी उस बैग में क्या है. Instead, she pulled out a small box and gave it to her teacher. बल्कि उसने एक बॉक्स निकाला और अपनी टीचर को दे दिया. When Miss Alice had taken the box, Carla took an instant camera out of her pocket and stood up with it. Ready? Open it, Miss Alice. So जैसे ही टीचर ने वो बॉक्स को पकड़ा, कार्ला ने अपना कैमरा निकाला and she took an instant camera out of her pocket. एक छोटा सा कैमरा अपनी पॉकेट से निकाला, and she gets that camera ready to click a picture of her teacher, and she asked the teacher to open the box. कैमरा उन्होंने सेट किया फोटो लेने के लिए, और अपनी टीचर से कहा कि now open the box. अब ये बॉक्स खोलिए. जैसे ही as soon as the teacher opened the box, a big smile shone on her face. जैसे ही बॉक्स उन्होंने खोला, वो मुस्कुराने लगी. and at that moment Carla snapped a photo, and that very moment what Carla did, she clicked the photo. So Carla's photo popped out of the camera. जैसे ही फोटो में से फोटो क्लिक किया कैमरे से फोटो निकल कर आया, एंड शी ऑफर्ड इट टू मिस एलिस अलॉन्ग विद अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. फिर कार्ला ने क्या किया, कार्ला गिव दैट फोटो अलॉन्ग विद द पेपर नोट टू द टीचर, and she asked the teacher to read the paper in silence. She asked the teacher to read the paper. So the teacher read the paper in silence. Teacher ने हल्के हल्के अपने मन में वो पेपर पढ़ा, and when she had finished, she gestured over at the sack. Oh, so it is. और जैसे ही उन्होंने पढ़ना खत्म किया, टीचर ने उन्होंने सैक को देखा, दो बैग को देखा जो भरा हुआ था खुशियों से, और उन्होंने बोला oh, so it is. That means she understood what must be in that bag. She interrupted Carla. So Carla said yes. Undoing the knot which sealed the sack, it is a great big pile of smiles, and she unknot the sack bag. जूट का बैग उन्होंने खोला, and she pulled it out, and there were a lot of photographs in that bag. Each photograph was of a person smiling in the pic. जैसे ही उन्होंने वो बैग खोल के उसके अंदर से सामान निकाला, उसके अंदर से क्या निकला, बहुत सारे फोटोज, और हर फोटो में कोई अलग अलग लोग थे और जो बहुत स्माइल कर रहे थे. She opened the sack and hundreds of photos fell out, all of different smiles. सब अपनी अपनी तरह से मुस्कुरा रहे थे, हंस रहे थे, and each one of them were looking beautiful. और हंसते हुए लोग बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं, राइट? एंड सब बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे. द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास ट्राइड टू वर्क आउट हाउ कार्ला हैड मैनेज्ड टू क्रिएट सच अ ग्रेट बिग चेन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. बाकी सारी क्लास जुट गई जल्दी से पता करने में कि कार्ला ने इतनी सारी हैप्पीनेस कैसे क्रिएट की. ऑल देयर वाज इन द बॉक्स वाज अ फोटो ऑफ अ बिग स्माइल. उस बॉक्स के अंदर क्या था, उस बैग के अंदर फोटोज थी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी स्माइल्स के साथ, but everyone who had seen it had felt happiness being transmitted to them. So what was that in the box? In that box also there was a picture with a great smile, with a big smile. So whoever was watching that, was looking at that box, was automatically laughing, looking at that, or smiling, looking at that box. So in return, without even thinking about it, every person had responded with a smile. जो भी देख रहा था बिना जाने के why this picture is with a smile and why the picture is there, क्यों ये पिक्चर यहाँ पर है या फिर क्यों लोग मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, बिना ये सोचे मुस्कुराते हुए फोटो को देखकर जो भी देख रहा था वो मुस्कुरा रहा था. With all her classmates smiling, Carla took a photo of each one of them. So Carla keep on passing that box to each one of her classmates, and she was clicking photo one by one of the people, those who were getting that box and were smiling automatically after seeing that picture. जिसके पास भी वो बॉक्स जाता था उसमें वो देखता था एक फोटो है स्माइलिंग, वो उसको देखकर हंसने लगता था, एंड कार्ला एट दैट टाइम उनका फोटो क्लिक कर लेती थी. दैट्स हाउ ही क्लिक्ड द फोटोज ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास. She gave them their own photo along with a slip of paper. और हर किसी को जिसके भी फोटो उन्होंने क्लिक किए थे कार्ला ने, वो उनको उनका फोटो वापस किया और उसके साथ एक शीट दिया लिखने के लिए. विद अ स्लिप ऑफ पेपर, एक स्लिप दी जिसमें उनको कुछ लिखना था. विच आस्क्ड देम टू डू द सेम विद अदर पीपल. और उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ था कि उनको भी ऐसा ही करना है लोगों के साथ. दे हैड टू देन सेंड अ कॉपी ऑफ द फोटोज टू हर होम एड्रेस. और वो सारे फोटोज जो हैं वो कार्ला के घर पर पोस्ट करने हैं. So and for months afterwards, और कुछ महीनों बाद, Carla's post box was always full to the brim with photos of smiling people. और कुछ महीने बाद कार्ला का पोस्ट बॉक्स जहाँ पे पोस्ट कार्ड्स आते हैं, लेटर्स आते हैं, वो हमेशा भरा हुआ रहता था with lot of people's photographs smiling. And so it was that she managed to spread understanding of the simple truth that every time you smile, you are sending a gift to the world. And she managed to spread a message to the people, a simple truth that every time you smile, you are sending a gift to the world. So it is very important and a very good thing to make other people smile, or give them a reason to smile, or make them laugh. It is something that is really very appreciating and very nice. We should all do that. We should always try to make other people happy, to make them laugh, to make our family and our friends and the people we meet happy. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Now we will look towards exercises and we'll try to solve them. Thank you.